Hey everybody, so here is our South African drill. So what we're going to be doing here is you're going to rotate like you would in a 360 or sweep out of the back, long. Okay, you're going to stop as soon as your front foot is facing the middle of the sector or the center of the circle. Okay, you can see that my back foot is set up with the instep, or the inside of my foot facing the circle, facing the sector. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to drive off of my left and then sweep my right foot to the middle. Okay, and then we're going to do a half at the end, okay, to get to our finish position or power position. Now, as I go and drive, my hips are going to push at the same time as my left leg is going to push into the center of the circle. So hips are pushing into the center of the circle. Your left leg is pushing into the center of the circle. Okay, so remember our body needs to be aligned. So that means our head, neck, spine, hips, and the foot that we're working on all needs to be aligned. So when we drive, it's important to get your hips going forward as you drive so that you can get into the middle and be balanced when you get into your half. Okay, so going to play. Okay, so kind of like the step-in drill. All right, you can lift at the end, or you can try and do just a slowed down mock release kind of movement. Okay, so another view of it comes out. The instep of the foot is facing the circle, and then push. Okay, so let's go back to the last view. So we're here. All right, so we're set up. When we drive, hips are coming forward. It's slight, but the hips need to be moving forward as we go to drive, okay? So if you watch the hips and the leg, okay, the hips are starting to drive as the left leg starts to drive. So I keep my upper body stacked over top of my hips and my foot as I'm going into drive, so that when I get into the middle, okay, drive, step, okay, I'm starting to land. As I'm rotating, the hips and the upper body are over top of my foot, my right foot, okay. Then as I get into my power position, I have everything still aligned because I drove my hips out of the back. Okay, so my neck, my whole right side now, and the finish we're going to be stacked over the right side. My whole right side is stacked over top and allowing me to push the back leg into the finish. Okay, go ahead, give it a try.